In Bakhmut, Ukrainian army eliminated this Wagner unit. This video is not about Ukraine, but it's about the US military. The Armor and Cavalry Collection is excited to unveil our most recent arrival to the Tankadrome, the BAE Systems Mobile Protected Firepower Testbed Vehicle. The US Army's MPF program started in 2015 with the objective to field an armored fighting vehicle capable of providing direct fire support to lighter, non-armored maneuver units. In 2018, BAE and General Dynamics Land Systems were selected as finalists for the competition, and 12 testbed vehicles were ordered from each company. After limited user testing at Fort Bragg in 2021 through 2022, the GDLS MPF design was selected for fielding. The organization that oversees the MPF program, Program Executive Office Ground Combat Systems, felt the BAE MPF design had many unique features and coordinated with the collection to preserve one of the 12 testbeds for historic and research purposes. For the collection, preserving an example of this vehicle is very important as it started life in the late 1980s as FMC, United Defense Industries Close Combat Vehicle Light, before being selected as the 1990s armored gun system designated to replace the M551 Sheridan. Defense cuts caused the AGS program to be cancelled, but the design was upgraded and modified by BAE, who acquired United Defense in 2005, for the MPF competition. As such, this vehicle will help teach armored vehicle development from over the last 30 years.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.